Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Substack for monetizing newsletters in the USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, visit the official Substack website. Click on the sign up button located on the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Get Started button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, you will be directed to create a password for your account. Enter a secure password and confirm it as instructed. After setting your password, log in to your Substack account. On your dashboard, click on the Create Post button. Now, choose a title for your newsletter. Begin typing the content of your first newsletter in the text box. Once your content is ready, you can format it using the available toolbar options. Next, scroll down to the subscription settings section. Select the option to enable paid subscriptions. You will need to choose a pricing model for your newsletter. Decide whether to offer monthly or annual subscriptions. Enter the price you wish to charge for your newsletter. After configuring the pricing, review your settings. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your newsletter live. You can share your newsletter link on social media and other platforms. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback. With consistent effort, you can successfully monetize your newsletter on Substack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.